Hey, good morning. I hope you all are doing fine and the weather is really very awesome here. Yeah, hope you saw that. And also, it seems that the day is going to be awesome today. And from now on, also, I'm thinking to share the live trades with you all, the profits, the positions, everything. Forget about the positions. Yeah, the thing you should focus on is the process, right? Once you understand the process, the system, then automatically profit starts to flow in. बोलते हैं ना एक्सीलेंस के पीछे भागो सक्सेस छक मार के पीछे आएगी. So that's the case. So मेरी एनालिसिस कल ही करके रखी थी मैंने. Obviously, to be a professional trader, analysis should be done beforehand, that too a day earlier. See, this is my trade journal over here. See, अभी look at this, ये already भरे हुए हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसे भर के रखे हुए हैं, but we actually these are my 8th book and this one is the 9th book, right? So यहाँ मैंने as per the analysis दो व्यू बना के रखे थे कि I'll share with you now on the screen. So let's come to the screen. I'm thinking to straighten my hair very soon. So see, on 30 minutes time frame, okay, let me remove all these things because I usually give priority to the price action. See, now just look at the right side of the picture. What do you see? And if you have any confusion, agar problem hoti hai in candlestick, just change the display to line chart and you will see the trend which is going. So see, swing high, swing low, 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 swing high. So what do you think? The trend is downtrend, right? Because it's making lower highs and lower low. So immediately, once you look at the right side, you identify the trend at 30 minutes time frame or higher time frame, and which time frame to choose. I have already told you that it's an intraday hourly basis, so you have to move to the minutes basis. So minutes basis becomes your intraday time frame in which you have to take entry and exit, but analysis should be done on hourly or daily time frame, right? So the thing over here is, you see, observed here that there is an ongoing downtrend, right? Now look at the immediate resistance which you see. What's the immediate resistance? You see this? This is the ongoing downtrend. Yes. Yeah. Now, what do you see the resistance over here is? Oh my goodness. So this is the resistance, right? So you have already observed that there is a downtrend going on, right? And on the same time frame, you identified the resistance level, right? This one. Now the market has already taken the move, the U-turn, the swing on Wednesday from this resistance level, right? So what would happen the next day, that is today? So we'll move to the lower time frame, that is 5 minutes. So we observed that the whole day it was consolidating, or say it was taking a support at previously turned resistance support, right? Over here, see, it was taking support. So that this is the consolidation phase, right? So next day my view was, if it gaps down with first red candle, I'm gonna sell till 32,500. Since it's an expiry day, yeah, your capital turns into double, triple, but also can get to 50% or 25%. So I usually aim for less targets, or say the immediate targets on expiry days, right? So as per the analysis, I have written that if it gaps down, right, I'm gonna take the entry with first red candle and will exit around 32,500 and I'll close the day. Let it happen within 15 minutes or whatsoever. Next time I'll check after 12:30 p.m. or whatsoever. But today what happened, and the second view I kept, that if it gaps up right around the resistance, and breaks the resistance with first 2 5-minute good candles. So the first candle you see here is hammer, right? And the second one is bullish. So both these things, I mean, gap up first, supporting factor, second one is the hammer, and third is hammer is succeeded by the bullish candle. अब ये जब दो candle आ जाती है, resistance have been broken. So what becomes your immediate target? What do you think? Obviously, the resistance which we have drawn on 30 minutes becomes your target. Or say पिन पॉइंट, सी एकदम परफेक्ट आपको एंट्री या परफेक्ट एग्जिट लेना है. दिस थिंग विल नॉट हैपन बिकॉज मार्केट इजंट परफेक्ट. इट्स बेस्ड ऑन probability and not even certainty, right? So 32,500 आपका अगर टारगेट है, 32,450, 32,550 आप ये टारगेट अचीव कर सकते हो. अभी मेरा क्या है, 33,500 का मैं लूँगा समवेयर अराउंड देयर एंड आई एम गोना क्लोज द डे. लालच बुरी बला है. आई एम गोना मेक अ वीडियो ऑफ दैट वेरी सून, that the 3 psychological factors which can affect your trading in a very negative way. So stay tuned. So this is the live position I have taken and this is the ongoing profit. See, I would still say ये प्रॉफिट के पीछे है ना, घर वालों के सामने काफ़ी चीज़ें छुपाई गई है और बहुत मेहनत है. जैसे मैंने बोला 7 से 8 बुक भरी गई है और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. वन डे आई विल शेयर एवरीथिंग विथ यू इन डिटेल, बट फॉर नाउ दिस इज़ व्हाट द एनालिसिस इज. 2 time frame, higher time frame for identifying the trend and marking the support and resistance level, and the shorter time frame, the 5-minute time frame, if you are an intraday trader, then support and resistance with respect to the 5-minute time frame. But once it breaks, you take the entry. And also if you see that, see, I usually trade based on price action, but as our channel says, it's the confluence approach, means multiple factors come together to make a decision. So moving average, the moving average, sometimes I also use MACD. So this is the leading indicator. Yeah, so when you confluence things, price action, these indicators, then what happens is your decision, you have the confidence in your decision, right? So I saw that resistance broken, hammer candle, then bullish candle, then the price was trading above 5 MA. और क्या चाहिए यार, right? So stay tuned. If you seriously, obviously पसंद आएगा क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें भी शेयर की है, not just the screen but many important things. See, only these things can be only shared by the one who is a regular trader, right? So I hope पसंद तो आना ही है. I'm not giving you any option that you didn't like. You would have definitely liked it. So hit that thumbs up. And one more thing, there's a link in the description. Open and demat account so that it would help all of us together. होप आप समझ रहे हो मैं क्यों ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ. यू आर वेरी स्मार्ट, राइट? सो मुझे कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इफ़ यू फील दैट वी टुगेदर कैन मेक समथिंग बिग, आवर चैनल कैन मेक समथिंग बिग, देन गो अहेड and do everything possible for supporting us, right? Good luck and happy trading. See you soon.